Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is your first time here. My name is Anthony Bricky and this is my YouTube channel, Trout Time. Right now I'm really questioning my insanity because I have to get in the river. I have not been able to fish in weeks. The weather has been horrible. We just finished a blast of week-long winter weather. In fact, yesterday the high only was 18. That's as warm as it got, was 18 degrees. But today it's sitting right at 32. That's what the truck registered right when I came to a stop here. But I got to get out of the house. I've got to get some fishing in, and that's what we're doing. I hope I don't freeze my nunny off trying to catch these trout, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to get good and bundled up. Let's go. Another little situation that I may run into, even though it's not as cold today as it was yesterday, is still right at freezing, and these GoPros do not work well when it's cold like this, so they may shut off on me, but I'm hoping not. I'm hoping the sunlight alone may keep them warm enough to keep going, so we'll see. We're gonna try it. Got two different setups I'm trying right now, and the sun shines, so I can't see the camera, so I don't know how well this is seeing me. But starting off with the E&H Lures Clearwater Minnow. I mentioned the GoPro may stop working because of the cold. I'm also worried about ice freezing in my guides. So I've got an idea how to stop that. We're gonna see if it works, if it starts to happen, which I know it will. But starting with the E&H Lure Clearwater Minnow, see what happens. This is one of my favorite spots to fish, mainly because it is completely open as far as the sun goes. Nothing on the first cast, so that's always a positive. The brown should be done spawning, so you would think the bite would be great right now because fish got to eat. Now I'm going to throw a soft plastic Z-Man paddle tail. Came with when I ordered my toadfish rod. They sent me a bunch of these, and I have caught a trout with it. One. So the reason I chose this, the fact that everything's so cold, I'm going to slow the presentation down and really work this through the water column really slow, and see if it triggers something. Just kind of give it some simple little twitches. I can't cast it real far, even though it's got that heavy jig head on it. Tied on a couple of dark lures. Right now I'm going to Rapala original floater, size 11, black and gold. For years, this was my go-to lure. I called it Old Faithful. It just seemed like no matter if I wasn't catching anything, I could tie Old Faithful on, get something every time. So we're gonna see if Old Faithful here still has its magic. All right, this is my last stop. Once again, got a lot of limbs around me to deal with, but I'll fight through it. Start with Old Faithful. Black and gold, original floater by Rapala, size 11. Give me a good footing so I don't fall in. Again, right here in front of me, right through here, is a deep pocket. I've caught some of my biggest trout right through here. The way it's shaping up right now, I'm probably not going to be, I'll take a dink. I don't really care. I will take a dink right now. Oh, yeah, got one right there underneath that. Yeah. Golly, I thought I was hung up. I think I got him foul hooked. But you know what? Let's go to the board. Again, my situation is I ain't got a, man, he hammered that. I barely got him hooked. Oh, one hook, come on, baby. Yes. Okay. Finally got me a daggone trout. All right, I gotta take my gloves off. I wanna handle him. He's a decent sized trout too. There we go, came out pretty easy. There he is. He's really skinny. They just finished spawning. So they're feeding, should be feeding like crazy. I can't believe it took me this long to finally catch this guy. So I'm really happy I finally got something. And that's not a bad fish. That's a good 16, 17 inch trout. 16, that's a good 16 inch trout. So let's get him back. Thank you, buddy. And there he goes. See ya. Well, the cold is actually starting to get to me. So I'm calling it quits. But I didn't let the cold keep me indoors. I let it keep me indoors yesterday, and I was not going to let it keep me inside today. It's right around 32 degrees. It's not too awful bad. The sun really helped, and I've got plenty of layers on. So, but I caught that brown, which made my day. I haven't caught a brown of that size in quite a while. So I'm really excited. That lets me know the browns are starting to come out of their spawn. Things are about to really pick up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that. We'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer. See ya.